Goa is like paradise for the national and international tourists. But there are some cases due to which name of Goa is spoiled. One such case was murder of Irish backpacker Danielle McLaughlin, who was brutally murdered on 13th March 2017 at Canacona. Canacona police had arrested accused Vikat Bhagat and chargesheet was filed against him. The Margao District and Sessions Court had framed charges against Vikat Bhagat for raping and murdering Danielle and also for the theft and destruction of evidence. Accused Vikat Bhagat pleaded not guilty and the trial began in this case. During the trial, to prove the charges against Vikat Bhagat, the prosecution has argued that Danielle had come to Canacona to celebrate the Holi festival. She was last seen with the accused Vikat Bhagat. After taking Danielle at an isolated place between the Canacona and Agonda beaches, Vikat Bhagat tried to force himself on the victim. When Danielle opposed, accused Vikat Bhagat hit her on the head with a beer bottle. Then he raped, badly injured Danielle and then strangled her to death. Vikat Bhagat took the belongings of Danielle and left the crime spot, and later police recovered those belongings on the instance of accused Vikat Bhagat. Blood stains were found on Vikat Bhagat's scooter. The trial was in camera, means no person other than the connected persons were allowed to remain present in the court. But Prudent has learned from the reliable sources about the major points of defense. The points in defense are: Danielle was very friendly and close with Vikat Bhagat for a long time, hence there was no motive of rape or murder. There was a huge time gap between the time given by the witness who saw Danielle with Vikat Bhagat for the last time and when her body was found. Hence, possibility cannot be ruled out that somebody else killed Danielle in the meantime. The forensic report of the blood stains found on Vikat Bhagat's scooter does not confirm to be of either the victim or the accused. It is also the contention of the defense side that the police planted the belongings of Danielle and later claimed to recover on instance of the accused Vikat Bhagat. The trial court is set to pronounce the judgment on 13th February. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.